my loves, it's your girl Plus Barb, and I'm back with another video. What's poppin', you guys? So today I am here with another video, and I am showing you guys how to get these curls for the girls. This video was highly requested. I've added a few things to my routine, but a lot of people have been asking me to make this video. Every time I post my hair on Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, everybody always like, what do you use, blah blah this, blah blah that. But I had to make a video for y'all. I can't just tell y'all the sauce. If I just tell y'all the sauce, then y'all not gonna watch the video. So I gotta tell y'all the sauce in the video. So before I get into this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button, also give me a thumbs up, and make sure y'all press that bell so y'all won't miss out on any videos. And go do that right now, because I don't want you to leave the channel. Go do it right now while you're on the channel. It's free. It takes a minute, literally a minute. And also go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram popping right now. Like, go do that. This routine is very affordable, so y'all don't have to worry about that. The Pillow Soft Curls is kind of pricey. It's like $23, but honestly it lasts a long time. Just invest in that product, because this look wouldn't be this look without that product. It's very important that y'all go get those products, because that's what the routine is all about, right? Right. Alright, y'all, now let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so we are about to go ahead and get into this curly hair routine. These are the two products that I'm going to be washing my hair with. I use the Pantene. I don't know if y'all can see this, but this is the products that I use to wash and condition my hair. They are both Pantene products. I freaking love them. I've been using them since I was younger. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I cannot believe how dry and disgusting my hair looks. Okay, bye. Okay, so you guys are gonna need a wide tooth comb for this look, or you can use a Denman brush. Okay, I'm starting off with shampoo first, as you normally do when you wash your hair, I guess. Yeah. Now we are on to conditioner. You guys know the steps of washing your hair. I mean, who doesn't? Okay, now we're just gonna go in with that wide tooth comb while the conditioner is in your hair, and just brush out all the, you know, naps and stuff like that. Until you don't have any naps, you brush all the way through your hair. Okay, you guys, so now that we got it brushed out, you should be able to run your fingers through your hair with that conditioner. It should just go right through your fingertips. Like, it should not be hard to run your fingers through your hair with that conditioner on there, and it should be brushed out all the way. So if you did not do that step, then go back a little bit and start over. Okay, you guys, so I have my hair in a t-shirt, because I heard the t-shirts were better for your hair. So I recently just started doing this, and honestly the curls do come out better. So let's go to the next step. Okay, guys, so now is the two most important steps. First things first, you guys see how I brushed my hair out while I had the conditioner on there while I was washing my hair? So that will be the only time that you're going to brush your hair out is when you have that conditioner on there. So when you come out the shower or whatever from washing your hair, you're not going to brush it again. You're not going to brush it at all anymore. And again, guys, this is just my little method that I do to get my curls popping. When you brush it out, I just feel like it takes away from the curls and the volume. So we're not going to brush it at all. Okay. The two most important steps in this whole video is, boom, Curl La La, one of the best curly hair products ever in the whole United States of the world, literally everywhere around the world. Yeah, the best products ever. So I'm using this one, and I'm using this one, Pillow Soft Curls. So what I'm gonna do is put all this on my hair, and of course I'm gonna video while I do that. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. you're gonna be scrunching your hair for about, I know this sounds like a long time, but I usually scrunch my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. Steady, like constantly. I might take a little break every now and then. That's what's gonna define your curls, is the crunch, the hold you keep putting in there. This is very important to do this. And honestly, if you can't hear the product in your hair, then you don't have enough product. Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear it, but you can hear it, like, you know. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep y'all on here too long, so I'm gonna just go ahead and scrunch my hair. Okay guys, so while you're waiting on your hair to dry, you can just go ahead and do what you need to do. I did my makeup or whatever. Like, I'm literally not gonna sit on camera to wait for my hair to dry. That would be ridiculous. So I will be back after my hair dries. Also, once you like start, you know, smushing it together and sponging it and stuff like that, your hair should already start to create some kind of curl pattern. If not, sorry to tell you, but this video is not for you. As y'all can see, it's not curly. See, look, but it's creating some kind of curl pattern. There you go. So yeah, I'll be back after this dries, guys. Okay, you guys, so now that my hair is dry almost all over, well, for the most part, I'm gonna take this pick and I'm just gonna bend my head over and just do this. And then this is just kind of gonna give it some volume. I like really big hair, so this is just gonna give it some volume. Okay, so one last step before the finishing look. Even though this is kind of the finishing look, I'm gonna just fluff it out a little more. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil just to try to like, you know, moisturize it and take some frizz away, even though it's not that frizzy, but this will really just seal the deal. So if you guys end up trying this look, please tag me and let me know how you guys like the routine and if the routine worked for you, because honestly, I've tried a lot of routines on YouTube just from watching videos and none of them really work for me. Like, everything doesn't work for everybody. But if you guys do try my routine, then tag me and let me know. All right, y'all.